What is going on, YouTube? So check it out. My Baja Warrior, or as I like to call it, my Baja Road Warrior. This is my new drag bike. Old bike, but set up for my drags. Running the 10 to 50, so it's my 5-to-1 gear ratio. About to take the motor off and do some more, do some head work, get a little more compression in this bad boy. But what do you notice? Check what came in the mail. Boom! 3 stages, Robertson torque tube pipe. Fits nicely on these Baja Warriors. Stage 2, stage 3. Alright, bike is idling a little high right now. But like I said, I'm going to be taking the motor off. So, good pipe, nice fit. I like it. I love its throatiness. It's definitely bellows like a big pipe, not like those little pipes. Oh, love that bellow. Do I have everything on? Obviously that's loud, and I need to tune my carburetor, but just check it out. I like it. I think it's bad. I like the way it bellows. I like its performance, and this is just one option for the Baja Warriors, the Baja Heats, and the Baja Carbons. I think the MBs will probably fit all the same, even the TY Hogs, but I know for sure the Baja Heat, Baja Carbons, and the Baja Warriors. For a side mount exhaust pipe, this is it. Alright, what is going on? Got a little surprise, but not so much a surprise. I knew it was coming in the mail. Got a little something something. What could it be? Oh, open it up. Packed so nicely. Oh, a little bubble wrap. Looks like another exhaust pipe for another Baja Warrior. Damn, and this one's 3-stage too. I didn't even realize that. 1 stage, 2 stage, maybe it's 2 stage, I don't know. But this does have the flipper muffler in, which I think my neighbors will appreciate. So, Robertson's torque tubes, original design with a flipper muffler. Check that out. Oh, I hope this thing is going to be great, I bet. So, little flipper muffler. So, neighbors won't be too mad. Open up. Get some more performance. Pull in the neighborhood, restrict it. Here we go, let's try it out. But, also, love the way keep your idle sound lower, you know, so that's not bad, especially if you have throttle control. My neighbors could tolerate me coming and going from my neighborhood with that sound. With throttle control, hell yeah. Without throttle control, it's definitely noticeably louder, but awesome. Alright, now let's do open. So I would 100% get another one of these pipes. Badass. Straight badass. Dude. So, right up under the seat. Not a leg burner at all. I mean, you really can't even try to burn your leg if you want.